Hey guys, Bob from Skillz. My scrapping community, subscribers, and viewers are going to love this video because it involves a free giveaway. That's right, a free giveaway and contest. TNT Tooling has donated these to the Moose Scrapper, which then in turn donated them to me. And on April 21st, I'll be announcing 4 lucky winners and sending these tools to you. So stay tuned to see how you qualify so that you could win these awesome wire stripping tools. There is no paid advertising for TNT Tooling in this video. I'm just a big fan of their scrapping tools. Please head over to tnttooling.com and check out all of their wire stripping tools to make your wire stripping experience a lot easier. The link to their website will be in the description below.
All right. This is really a nice tool from TNT Tooling. You can use it by hand to thread the wire through for the various gauges that you can see through these holes here, and pull it right out, and it will have the wire all stripped for you real nice. You can adjust the blades accordingly by using a little Allen wrench here, which is included. It's really cool. So 4 people are going to win one of these, and I will definitely be sending them right to you. So in order to qualify for this contest, you have to be a subscriber. You have to like the video. You have to comment on this video. You also have to go to the Moose Scrapper's channel and like, comment, and subscribe on his channel as well. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next one. But wait, there's more. At the end of my videos from now on, I'm going to actually be recommending a small YouTube creator of the week. So please remember to watch till the very end of my videos to see the recommended YouTube creator, so you can go over and check their channel out and support them as well. Thanks again.
This week's small YouTube creator recommendation is Scrappin' Pallet Man. Scrappin' Pallet Man has a nose for finding scrap. He travels around neighborhoods, goes to construction sites, department stores, hotels, and more for big paydays in scrap metal. His videos are well put together, and his channel is chock full of great content. Thank you for protecting our freedom and keeping us entertained. Scrappin' Pallet Man has skills. Please click on the link below and support Scrappin' Pallet Man's channel.